So they have completely changed the tram depot as for now. It looks like parking lot construction is going up for Pinocchio's parking lot. So the tram now circles around this way and goes out under here that way. So that's an interesting new thing that I thought I should bring up, because definitely the parking structure for Pinocchio is going to be going up soon. So Pinocchio parking lot is definitely underway, or a parking structure, my bad. Yeah, this is really weird to see. It's very barren over here. No more like anything on this side. It's really weird to see, but hopefully this will be opening up soon.
Wait, oh.
So now to get on the tram and get into security, you have to head under the parking structure, and security is going to be over here, and then tram loading is all of pretty much what used to be Chip and Dale. This is so weird to see. Holy cow. Wow. So we are now, pretty much Chip and Dale is gone, pretty much. I mean, they've still got the little signs up, but it is now where you get on the tram. This is crazy. Wow. I am amazed. Absolutely amazed. So this is really bizarre to see, but we'll probably have to get used to this at least for, I don't know, 5 or 6 months or so. But it's actually, I mean, it's a pretty big space to do this, so it makes sense. But there are like, I mean, there's no more yellow lines, sadly, over here, but it's crazy to see.
The tram is moving, and supervise your children.
So if you guys are wondering, the trams now go on the left side of the road. So yeah, this is really bizarre to actually be this close going this way.